Time to head to the cruise port. We are headed to the cruise port. Finally, one day till our cruise. Super excited. We just dropped the dogs off at the boarding, getting on the road. Got about 3.5 hours drive ahead of us, but we will be there, ready to go. Super excited. It is finally almost cruise time again. So we have arrived here in Galveston. We have checked in to our beautiful hotel room here at the Harbor House. Wasn't too bad of a drive down here. GPS kind of did its own thing. It took us a new way. Had a nice little rainstorm on us on the way here. But none of that really matters. We're here. We made it. Like I said, we are checked in. Check-in time here is 4 o'clock. They actually let us check in at noon. So got to even get in a little bit earlier. Now we're going to run around Galveston here a little bit. We're going to go eat some lunch, take a look at the cruise ships out here, kind of take a look at the hotel, and we'll get back with you guys here in a little bit. I think this is the least crowded I've ever seen the candy store. Normally this place is packed. But this is where you come if you want some fresh saltwater taffy right before your cruise. Alright, so we are at the Backyard Patio Grill. Found a little hole in the wall kind of place. A non-chain restaurant. Those are some of the funnest ones to try, I think. And we're going to try some lunch out here today. Get that burger, baby.
That's a good burger.
All right, it has been a long day. It was at about 3.5 hours to drive here. Got here around noon today. Got checked into the hotel. We walked around Galveston, got some stuff to eat, went over and saw the Carnival Dream and Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas departing port. And now we're back in the hotel room. It's time for us to wind down and, of course, get ready for tomorrow, which is embarkation day. Super excited, ready for embarkation. Just a little nervous about it. I mean, just a little bit, because Disney Cruise Lines requires a COVID-19 test at the cruise terminal. That part, I guess we have just a little bit of anticipation over that. I feel perfectly fine. Tiffany feels perfectly fine. But, you can be 100% asymptomatic and still test positive for Omicron. So we're really, really hoping there is no problem there. There is no issue there. But I'm going to be honest with y'all. I am sweating it just a little bit. But I guess we're going to find out tomorrow morning. Embarkation for us is 10:45. And if I do get up early enough in the morning, and I plan to, and I usually do, I'm going to go down and watch the cruise ships come in the morning. Disney Wonder should be coming in. Well, obviously Disney Wonder will be coming in. If it doesn't come in, we have a whole other list of problems. And then probably one other cruise ship will be coming in, but I actually don't know which one. So I'm going to go down there in the morning and see if I can watch them come in and possibly film those, depending on how the lighting is. But for now, we're going to go ahead and get ourselves some rest and get back with you guys tomorrow morning. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, smash that like button for me. And tomorrow, we will see you out on the high seas.